Before performing any cleaning or maintenance, make sure the firearm is completely unloaded. This includes the magazine and chamber. Always wear eye protection and perform the maintenance in a well-ventilated area. We recommend reading your firearm owner's manual for specific field strip and cleaning instructions. To clean this rifle, we are going to use large diameter brass cleaning rod, nylon brush, a pick, jag or slotted tip, brass brush for that specific caliber, cotton patches or optional cotton bore mop for your caliber of rifle, and silicone cleaning cloth. Assemble the 3-piece brass rod that you will be using. Select either the jag or slotted tip for your specific caliber. Use a cotton patch and cut the appropriate size if needed. If you selected the jag, pull the cotton patch over the end of the sharp point. You will need a good cleaner degreaser or bore cleaner such as SILICONE by Allen. Apply a small amount of the cleaner to the cotton patch. Run the patch with the cleaner down the barrel. Always try to clean in the direction the bullet travels. Push the patch all the way out of the end of the barrel. Remove it from the jag and discard. Next, we will give the bore cleaner a few minutes to help loosen any carbon and fouling. Use a very light amount of the cleaner on the nylon brush. Be careful not to use too much oil and avoid any drip down into the firearm. If you find some carbon buildup or hard to reach areas with the brush, you can use the pick. You can also use the cotton patch with the pick to move around and clean. Now that the bore cleaner has had some time to work, we can run the brass brush down the bore we have selected for our rifle. Work the brush back and forth multiple times to further break up and loosen any carbon, lead, or copper fouling. After brushing, you will want to run another wet patch down the bore to collect as much fouling as possible, followed by multiple dry patches. You can stop running patches down the barrel when you see minimal discoloration on the patch. Run a patch or the bore mop with a couple of drops of oil in it to help keep the barrel from rusting. You can use either a large cotton patch or the silicone cloth to wipe down the action and the rifle's bolt. Apply a light amount of high-quality lubricant to any friction areas. A tip is to look for any areas that show slight wear and apply the lube in that area. Use a new silicone cloth from your kit and wipe down the outside of the firearm. Remove any fingerprints, cleaner, or excess oil from the outside of the firearm.